Welcome to AquaRock again. This is another project. It's a small one. It's 8 feet wide by around 3 feet high. It's a small grotto. It has a little tiny cave under the grotto. We have another waterfall on the right side right next to it, which it looks very nice. Please notice the difference when you add landscaping in the back. I added 5 plants to this project and it looks spectacular. It looks beautiful. Our phone number is 407-947-4146. Our website is www.AquaRockPools.com. AquaRockPools.com. Thank you again, and I see you in our next project.